Hey there, this is Dan at Virtual World Dynamics, and today we're going to show you how to install VWD's Cloth and Hair version 2 on a system that uses Poser. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is unzip the installation package that you downloaded from your Renderosity content library. In there we will find and copy the VWD folder from that zip file, and we'll copy it to your system. We will put it on the top of one of your drives. We'll do the C drive on this system. We know that works. If you'd like to move it around after the fact, you can experiment with that. And the last thing we'll do is start VWD Cloth and Hair version 2 from Poser to make sure it's all working properly. Alright, let's find the zip file that we extracted from our upgrader or we downloaded from our Renderosity content library. Put it in our workspace. There's the zip file. Let's open that up. Let's find the installation folder from within it, and we're going to find in there the VWD folder. We're basically going to copy that file somewhere in your system. Having found the VWD folder in the installation folder in the installation zip file, go ahead and right-click on that to copy it. That's the easiest way to copy, I think. And find your location. Target location. I'm going to put it in the top of a drive because we know that works. Go ahead and try that to make sure you get your system working first, and then you can relocate it later if you like. And you pretty much finished the installation, but go ahead and take a look in your C drive. Double check, make sure it got there, VWD folder, and all the files look like they're there. Looks like you're pretty much ready to go. So before we start Poser and start VWD from within it, let's look on the C drive in the VWD folder at some Python files that we have here. We will be browsing to these from within Poser, adding a quick menu as a temporary menu, and using them to start VWD. So we start up Poser, look over in the Python scripts, making sure that the Python scripts are loaded on the window Python scripts. Make sure that's checkboxed. And then find the ... an empty slot. If you click on that, it'll say, hey, what do you want to put here? And what we're going to do is put the VWD buttons.py. So browse to your drive, browse to your folder, and see the VWD buttons.python. Go ahead and open that, and you'll notice that that now fills the slot. Now if we click on that, that actually starts a new menu. Brings up a new menu. So when we click on that, it'll start VWD, stop VWD, restore, copy, and paste materials. So we're going to start VWD with a basic scene by clicking on that button. VWD should start up on the right hand side there. Everything's set up right. Open the About tab and you can see to make sure the version is right, and you have some help and support resources there for future reference. And going up to the top to the scene, import scene, you can see the elements that are in your Poser scene available to VWD, so you can import them. At this point, we're done with VWD for this session. We're not going to show you how to use it. We just want to make sure it runs and seems to be operating properly. So I think you're ready to start using Virtual World Dynamics Cloth and Hair version 2 in Poser. I sure hope this helped.